UPPCL, Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited, recruitment for assistant engineer trainee. It is Electricity Service Commission, UP government. So the number of vacancies for electrical assistant engineer trainee electrical 24, 7 for EWS, 14 for OBC UP domicile, 30 for ST SC, and for assistant engineer trainee electronics and telecommunication, number of vacancies for unreserved 8, EWS 1 vacancy, OBC 2 vacancies, SC 3 vacancies. For assistant engineer trainee computer science or information technology, 12 vacancies for unreserved. For EWS 2 vacancies, for OBC 6, for SC category 4. The pay scale is around 59,500. The education qualification is for assistant engineer they should have a degree. For electrical, they should have a degree in electrical, and for electronics and telecommunication, that is a degree in electronics and telecommunications or telecommunications or mixed disciplines are eligible. For computer science, a degree in computer science or information technology are eligible to apply. The maximum age criteria is 40 years and minimum 21 years is the age criteria, and there is a relaxation for OBC category or SC/ST of Uttar Pradesh domicile for 5 years. So there will be examination center and selection procedure will be based on computer based test that will be held in the vicinity of Uttar Pradesh, that is Allahabad, Aligarh. This is in the vicinity of Uttar Pradesh. These are the cities where the test will be held, that is examination center is the vicinity of Uttar Pradesh, and the number of candidates administrative or 75% questions will be the examination criteria. 75 questions percentage of questions will be from bachelor level engineering, and 10% of questions on general knowledge awareness, and 10% is based on reasoning, and 5% in general Hindi. So this is the examination criteria, and 0.25 is the deduction mark for every negative answer. If the number of applications of the candidates are more, exam is conducted in more than one shift, so they can opt even for normalization when there are more number of applicants. And syllabus in various disciplines is a GATE syllabus. So the examination fee for different categories is this much. For SC category, 826 GST included. For general category or OBC, 1180, and for PH 12 rupees. For candidates of state other than Uttar Pradesh is 1180. So this is the examination fee structure, and the last date you can apply from uppcl.org website. So the details, submission of online application starts from 12th of November 2021 to December 2nd. So 12th November to December 2nd, this is the examination application started. The computer based test, the schedule to be held in the month of January 2nd week on 2022. So this is recording the number of vacancies in Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited. So the eligible branches are electrical, electronics, computer science, information, electronics and telecommunications. So anyone from India can apply, but a reservation is only for UP domicile. The link will be given in the description.